Over the past few weeks, I've been constantly working with the help of ChatGPT4 to create a fairly legendary monetization technique. And you know what? I finally got there. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to install the code and to make money online using this glitch powered by ChatGPT4. And even if you're a beginner with the robots and computer, you'll be able to get there. Let's go. Okay, so first you're going to go to secretcheatlist.com, and yeah, it's going to show you a list, okay, AI tool list, and take the time to look at this AI presented, at those AI presented in this list, okay. These AI are the ideal representation of what the whole world needs, okay. So very important. So whoever needs it, we will offer it to them, okay. So this is the step one. So in this example, I will take Jasper.ai right away here, okay. One of the most powerful ChatGPT robots in humanity is Jasper.ai, yeah. All businesses, content creator, bloggers, email scripters, and even people like you and me need it, okay? So no matter which AI tool you choose, you will look for the button on their website, the affiliate partner, okay? So let's go here in the footer. Just let me check 2 seconds. So there is in the footer, become an affiliate partner. You click on that and you subscribe to the affiliate partner, okay. So once you are registered, they will give you a link, okay, this link here, okay. So this link is your source of money. Never lose that link, okay, never lose this, okay, because this link is become now your business, your source of income, okay. So you're gonna take that link, copy it, okay? Then you will go to Instagram and use our robots right away, okay? So once you're on Instagram, you're gonna go on, for example, let's say Shinefy AI. This is a Chase, okay? Chase Rainer, a good guy that is also promoting something like I do. And we're gonna go on, for example, is followers list, okay? So we're going literally to retarget all those peoples, okay? To first of all, to our profile. And second, we're gonna retarget those peoples exactly to the link that we have taken from Jasper.ai, okay? So let's go, okay? So let's open my robot here that is called Leads Connect, okay? And go on, okay, so let me just take a second. Okay, Leads Connect right away, okay? This is powered by ChatGPT first. So let's see the tools. You can engage on stories. You can unfollow Instagrammers. You can engage with new followers. So every time someone is following you, a message is sent right away. And there is the message template that we're going to work right now. So a message template, Jasper.ai. So let's start. So I'm gonna say hi. Hey, okay, and let's see. I just wanted to show you this AI tool that is going to revolutionize the industry of AI. You should start using it. And you drop the link, save. Another one, because we don't want Instagram to see us as a spammer. So we do a couple of different message. So for example, here we're gonna write. So I said, hey, check this Jasper AI tool. It's completely crazy. Just to write my articles with this tool brought me traffic on my website and pay me on autopilot. And you drop the link. Okay, So you can do how much you want and you save the template right away. So like I said, you can go on the followers here, or for example, you can go also on a post that he made or whatever here, and you can go on the likes list and retarget all those people to your offer. So let's start with Leads Connect. So once you open the bot, you have to configure it. Okay, so I want to follow Instagrammers, I want to like post, and I want to comment post with using ChatGPT in English. So ChatGPT is going to read all those posts, all the posts of the person, engage with the post with something that is very brilliant, and we're going to send a message. So let's, for example, here Jasper AI, and we start engaging right now. Tao. The bot is opening and it's going to go over the list and start contacting them, like the post and everything, and engage in the post, send DM with the link. So like you see now, is working alone. I'm not using my hand, it's doing alone. Like you see that. It's very, very powerful. That ChatGPT4 is going to print you money with that tool again and again and again. You can use it all but much you want. In like, it's crazy, completely crazy. Okay. So look, did you see that? It right alone by itself. This tool is intelligent. So here's another one. You just find that guy, like, I have no, my hand are in the air right now, and it's gonna roll, and it's gonna read the post, engage with it, and send a message after that. Look at this. He just liked the post. This system is intelligent. Okay, that's it. That's all. Let's focus on that. You see this? Impressive. Application is changing the game in online shopping. Hashtag innovation. Hashtag e-commerce revolution. Bam. And it's going to send him a message right away. Look at this. I'm not touching the keyboard. Look at this. There we go. Let me move this. Tao. There we go. It's your link. You see this? Did you see this? And it's going to go on the next. So mostly you just have to let the robot roll. You can go out now, you can go do your shopping and everything and come back and you have money that enter in your bank account on repeat, on autopilot every freaking time. It's like we said, in business, we plant seeds. With that tool, you plant seed. You drop your link. You drop your presence into the social network. You are engaged with people. You are going to make money as much as you can make money. The more time you spend with the bot and doing other things at the same time, like, the more money you're gonna have. Okay? Look at this. It's going to go on another one right now. Here we go. A new one. So ChatGPT is going to listen the video right now, because now ChatGPT has the power to listen video, check images. So it's very powerful. My bots are powerful. Leads Connect is another level. So now, at the same time that we are rolling on Instagram, we're gonna go do the same thing, but now on Facebook, okay? So let's do it, okay? Let's go on Facebook. And you're going to go on So I recommend most of all to create a new Facebook account. Okay, you don't want to mix your personal thing with AI. If you don't want, you can just create a new account. If not, it's okay. Go over. You can just find. So first step, you're gonna find a Facebook group about artificial intelligence, affiliate marketing, and whatever you want. Okay, so let's start with artificial intelligence. We're gonna click on group, and let's see. So you can join all those groups. Okay, and let's see. That one. So once you're on the group, okay, you're gonna go on the member list. And I love to use the member with thing in comments because Facebook is because Facebook is going to give the opportunity to them to see your message out of the invitation box. So once you're in the list, you're gonna open my other bot that is called Best Friends Pro. Okay, so let me show you 2 seconds. Best Friends Pro on under screen. Best Friends Pro right there. So same thing. There is automation inside the bot that when people is sending you a friend request, you can just send them a message on automation. You can send them a message when you accepted the friend request and when you delete the friend request. And also you can do message templates. So let's focus on message templates first. So Jasper AI, let's say the same thing that then Instagram. So we say hi, we say hey, and now I just wanted to show you this AI tool called Jasper.ai. It's so powerful. You should try it, and you drop the link. Another one. You like AI stuff? I found you on a AI Facebook group, and I wanted to share with you Jasper.ai. Check this. There you go. Okay, so let's go save template and comments template, the same thing. It's ChatGPT that is involved in it, and you open best friend. You can do the filter. So for example, you just want people from Canada, from USA, from UK, or whatever. You can filter the country. You can positive keywords. So for example, you can just focus on marketing specialists. You can just focus on graphic designer, AI specialist, and everything. You want to add as friends? Nope or yes. You want to send them a message. The message is Jasper AI. You want to like post, and you want to engage on the post using ChatGPT, and you start engaging on the list right away. So easy. Look at this. My hands are there. It go over the list. He focus on someone. He go over his profile. He found things. He find things. He find good post, he engage on the post, and after that, he send a DM with the message template that we just wrote. Let's check our Instagram bot now. So you see in autopilot, he send tons of message, and he just like, we have the stats here. So in like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so he message 4 people on autopilot, and like 6 posts, comment 4 times, and follow 2 times. Look at this, man. You want a real business right now with AI that is going to print you money on autopilot? This is your way to do it right away. And the most beautiful part is we have the same tool for TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. So same thing, you're going to go on my bot that is called, let me show you, TikTok leads. Okay, Same thing, message template, comments template. You can also unfollow TikTokers and everything. So let's go on TikTok, and I'm gonna write here AI tool. There is now post, okay? So you can, there is now tons of things about AI right now, okay? You go on video here. Those peoples are engaging with AI all the times, and you open TikTok automation. I want to see 300 videos, and this tool is going to bring you views, engagement, followers, and tons of good things for your TikTok account. So the best strategy is, if you want create content for TikTok, you post a video and you start TikTok leads. This is the best strategy to grow your list. Okay, so here 300 video, follow TikTokers, send message. I'm gonna send them cheat collabs, for example, and start engaging. Look at this. Look at this. I know. It's doing it on autopilot. There you go. So let's check our Best Friends Pro now. Now the same thing. So you see, it go and autopilot. 2 message in like what? 3 minutes? 3 minutes, guys? It's going to print money all the freaking time. So right away. So if you are interested in learning more, the link is in the video description for the AI list and for the robot as well, okay? Don't hesitate to contact me in the comments if you want more help, and good luck. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, alright? Let's go.